Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to connect Typeform forms to Google Sheet. So here my objective is whenever I have received a new form submission in my Typeform, then automatically all the leads will be added into my Google Sheet as a new row. So to automate this entire process, I am going to connect my Typeform to my Google Sheet by using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now here to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen.
Welcome to my screen. In this video, I'll show you how to automatically send the Typeform submission to Google Sheet. This integration will help you to track leads inquiry or sign-ups without manual work, making it easier to stay organized and flow up quickly. So here on the screen, you can see my workflow, and here my objective is as soon as I'm going to receive a new form submission through my Typeform, then automatically all the details should be added over here in my Google Sheet as a new row. So here I have already built an automation where I have connected my Typeform account with my Google Sheet using an automation software. Now firstly, in this video we are going to see the working of this amazing automation to understand the entire process more clearly. So now here to see the working of this automation, what we are going to do is that we are going to make a Typeform. So here you can see I have already created this Typeform before. So here I am filling this form. Here I have written that is first name Mehruz, last name Khan, provided one test number as well as test email ID. As soon as we will click on the submit button, then all of these data that we have written here will automatically added into your Google Sheet as a new row. So here I am clicking on the submit button. Here you can see the form is submitted. Now I'll show you how my data is added into my Google Sheet. Here you can see we have successfully received a new response over here with the first name, last name, phone number, email as well as company. So now you have to see the working of this amazing automation. We are going to learn how you can build this automation by simply connecting your Typeform with your Google Sheet using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So to access Pabbly Connect, you need to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. Here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an online automation tool that helps you to connect or integrate different apps and services without coding. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the another is sign up option. If you are a new user, then you can click on the sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. As if you are an existing user, then you can click in sign in option. I am an existing user, so I am clicking in the sign in option. Here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are creating a workflow, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking Access Now button. Here you are navigate on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. In this folder section, you can add multiple folders as well as in this home section, you can see the status of your workflow. I need to create the workflow first. So for that, I am going to click on this Create Workflow button. In this Create Workflow box, I have to give the name of my workflow. So here I am giving them the name. Add Google Sheet rows on different Typeform submission where I am going to select the folder as home. After that, you have to click on this Create button. See, your workflow is created successfully. Now here on my screen you can see the two most important principles of an automation process, that is trigger and action, where trigger says when this happen and action says do this. That means actions is a response towards the trigger. Your automation have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's begin with our automation by simply setting up a trigger. So here I am going to select my trigger application as Typeform. Here I select it. As I am receiving new form submission through Typeform, so I have selected Typeform here, and here for the trigger event I am going to select as new entry, so that whenever we are going to receive a new form submission through our Typeform, then automatically and instantly Pabbly Connect should capture the response and you can see automatically this entire workflow should get triggered. Alright, now after selecting my trigger event, I am going to connect my Typeform with my Pabbly Connect by clicking on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I am going to select the add new connection. If your Typeform account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on the select existing connection. So now to here adding a new connection, it will ask me to provide a connection name. So here it is already provided. After that, I'm going to click on this connect with Typeform button. Then I'm going to accept this. See, our Typeform is successfully connected to our Pabbly Connect. Here you can see it will automatically get the form that I have already created before in my Typeform account, named as Customer Verification Form. After that, you have to click on this button, Save and Send Test Request. Here I am clicking on this. After that, whenever my user will fill the form that I have created in my Typeform account, that means this form, then the response will automatically come into my Pabbly Connect account. For that, I am again filling this form. Here I have filled and going to click on the submit button. See, the form is submitted successfully. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here you can see we have got the response including the details that we were provided to that form. After that, you have to click on the save button. After that, in the next step, I'll take the action application as a Google Sheet. Here I am selecting the Google Sheet. After that, the action event I'll take as add new row, as whenever my user will write their information into my Typeform, then automatically that data will be added into my Google Sheet as a new row. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and another is select existing connection. As if you have existing connection, then you can click on this. You can add a new connection into your Google Sheet by choosing this option. After that, click on the sign in with Google button. As I already have existing connection, so I am clicking on this select existing connection button. After that, I'm going to click on this save button. Here it will saved. I already created the spreadsheet before by the name Typeform to Google Sheet. It is talking about this sheet. After that, in this first name box, I'm going to map the data on the basis of response that we have got here. If you click on this, then you can see it will provide you Typeform response. When you click on this, it will provide you all the response. So here I am mapping the first name. I have done this mapping here because with the help of this, the manual information of my user will be stored into my Google Sheet. After that, here I am also again doing the mapping same. Here I am selecting the last name. I also select the phone number that I have received here. And at last, the email ID. The process of mapping should be same. And the company. Here I have mapped everything. With the help of this mapping, the manual data of our user will be stored into our Google Sheet. After that, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. Here you can see it will respond to me like this while also sending one test request into my Google Sheet. See, test user name and the Gmail ID. So this is how your automation will work, and this is how you can store your Typeform enter data into your Google Sheet in just 2 steps. You have to make sure that your flow will be active. This automation will be done without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect. If you like the video, then you can give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.